Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the game is updated and your account is bound so you don't lose progress. Once done, free at least 1 GB of storage and switch to a stable Wi-Fi connection. Then force stop Mobile Legends, clear its cache from settings, and restart the app. This removes temporary corrupt files that commonly block login. Make sure you note any error codes shown because they guide the next steps. If updates are pending, install them before logging in. Next, focus on network and account authentication. Run a speed test. If latency is high, change DNS to 8 or activate a reliable mobile hotspot because unstable networks often cause authentication timeouts. Then sign into your Facebook or Google account independently to confirm credentials are valid. Once confirmed, attempt in-game login. If stuck at authentication, log out and rebind your account, because reauthorizing the third-party connection resolves token mismatches that block access. For final resolution, backup progress via account binding, then uninstall Mobile Legends and reinstall the latest build to replace corrupted binaries. After reinstall, clear any leftover Mobile Legends folders in storage and reapply permissions for storage and network access. If login still fails, check official server announcements because region outages prevent access. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, contact customer support with the exact error code, your device model, OS version, and a short description. These details speed up diagnosis and fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.